Friday, we all got the chance to go to Morehead University to go to their Space Science Center. So first of all, there were a bunch of interesting stuff.
We learn about some color, what color did in the atmosphere, something about some planets and stuff. That was fun. I enjoyed. The show is like technical stuff. There is to know what happened, what's gonna happen. You know, during the day, the temperature outside.
They showed us the satellites that Morehead State is building. They also showed us their space program.
They also had one of the few antennas that NASA used, and they told us that there were one in Kentucky, another one in Spain, another one in Australia, and another one somewhere in the United States, I think California.
I help so many students. They like learning outside of the school. Like they take a trip for an hour, 2 hours. That experience was a rich learning environment.
Yeah, it was a pretty good learning experience, and for the one that couldn't make it, y'all would have really loved it.